CBD oil benefits: cancer, pain, anxiety, and more. CBD oil benefits list. Cannabidiol. CBD oil is a product that's derived from cannabis. It's a type of cannabinoid, which are the chemicals naturally found in marijuana plants. Even though it comes from marijuana plants, CBD doesn't create a high effect or any form of intoxication. That's caused by another cannabinoid, known as THC. There's some controversy around cannabis products like CBD oil because of recreational marijuana use. But there's growing awareness about the possible health benefits of CBD oil. Here's what you need to know about 6 potential medical uses of CBD and where the research stands. 1. Anxiety relief. CBD may be able to help you manage anxiety. Researchers think it may change the way your brain's receptors respond to serotonin, a chemical linked to mental health. Receptors are tiny proteins attached to your cells that receive chemical messages and help your cells respond to different stimuli. One study found that a 600 mg dose of CBD helped people with social anxiety give a speech. Other early studies done with animals have shown that CBD may help relieve anxiety by reducing stress, decreasing physiological effects of anxiety, such as an increased heart rate, improving symptoms of post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, inducing sleep in cases of insomnia. 2. Anti-seizure. CBD has been in the news before, as a possible treatment for epilepsy. Research is still in its early days. Researchers are testing how much CBD is able to reduce the number of seizures in people with epilepsy, as well as how safe it is. The American Epilepsy Society states that cannabidiol research offers hope for seizure disorders, and that research is currently being conducted to better understand safe use. A study from 2016 worked with 214 people with epilepsy. The study participants added oral doses of 2 to 5 milligrams of CBD per day to their existing anti-epilepsy medications. The study's researchers monitored the participants for 12 weeks, recording any negative side effects and checking on the frequency of their seizures. Overall, participants had 36.5% fewer seizures per month. However, severe adverse effects were recorded in 12% of the participants. 3. Neuroprotective. Researchers are looking at a receptor located in the brain to learn about the ways that CBD could help people with neurodegenerative disorders, which are diseases that cause the brain and nerves to deteriorate over time. This receptor is known as CB1. Researchers are studying the use of CBD oil for treating Alzheimer's disease, multiple sclerosis, MS, Parkinson's disease, stroke. CBD oil may also reduce the inflammation that can make neurodegenerative symptoms worse. More research is needed to fully understand the effects of CBD oil for neurodegenerative diseases. 4. Pain relief. The effects of CBD oil on your brain's receptors may also help you manage pain. Studies have shown that cannabis can offer some benefits when taken after chemotherapy treatments. Other preclinical studies sponsored by the National Institutes of Health are also looking at the role of cannabis in relieving symptoms caused by arthritis, chronic pain, MS pain, muscle pain, spinal cord injuries. Nabiximols, Sativex, a multiple sclerosis drug made from a combination of TCH and CBD, is approved in the United Kingdom and Canada to treat MS pain. However, researchers think the CBD in the drug may be contributing more with its anti-inflammatory properties than by acting against the pain. Clinical trials of CBD are necessary to determine whether or not it should be used for pain management. 5. Anti-Acne. The effects of CBD on receptors in the immune system may help reduce overall inflammation in the body. In turn, CBD oil may offer benefits for acne management. A human study published in the Journal of Clinical Investigation found that the oil prevented activity in sebaceous glands. These glands are responsible for producing sebum, a natural oily substance that hydrates the skin. Too much sebum, however, can lead to acne. Before you consider CBD oil for acne treatment, it's worth discussing with your dermatologist. More human studies are needed to evaluate the potential benefits of CBD for acne. 6. Cancer treatment. Some studies have investigated the role of CBD in preventing cancer cell growth, but research is still in its early stages. The National Cancer Institute, NCI, says that CBD may help alleviate cancer symptoms and cancer treatment side effects. However, the NCI doesn't fully endorse any form of cannabis as a cancer treatment. The action of CBD that's promising for cancer treatment is its ability to moderate inflammation and change how cells reproduce. CBD has the effect of reducing the ability of some types of tumor cells to reproduce. CBD oil usually doesn't have any major risks for users. However, side effects are possible. These include depression, dizziness, hallucinations, low blood pressure, withdrawal symptoms, such as irritability and insomnia. More human studies are needed to fully understand the range of risks and side effects that CBD oil may cause. With the legalization of marijuana products, more research is possible, and more answers will come. CBD oil isn't legal everywhere.